Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing a Majesty wig by Zinhle. I know last time I did the same hair brand, but you know, okay, the reason why I bought this, okay, this is a Black Friday purchase, by the way. So it was a huge sale, not a huge one. It was like, I think 40% off on this particular wig, and I was like, okay, let me grab this one. The reason why I went back to Majesty, guys, I'm not saying they're a bad brand, by the way. The reason why I went back to Majesty is because some brands, guys, they say our return policy, so they're like, we don't really take back any product that was on sale. I'm like, yo, what if you give me a crappy wig during Black Friday and then it looks like hell, and then you want me to keep it because you feel like I didn't pay for the full amount? That doesn't make any sense. So I feel like these brands are like, no, we won't give you a return or an exchange or anything because it was a sale. Because it could be, one, they know they'll be producing low standards, or it's just pressure. They don't really want to go through that pressure. So other companies are like, no, if it's a sale, we don't really exchange or return. I'm like, oh, okay. So I was a bit skeptical on that end. I don't want to spend my money. Yes, it could be 20% off, but I still want the same quality of hair, because a sale, in my opinion, is a process of reducing your price but still keeping the same value, same quality. So don't tell me, you're not going to return or accept my returns, or So I was like, okay, I might have to go back to Zinhle because she knows whether it's a sell, whether I'm saying she knows the stuff's in the wig. I think she knows this person is expecting the same quality of hair. The hair that was 3,000 and now is 1,000. It has to be the same because I'm the one who reduced the price. Okay, that makes any sense. So I was like, okay, no, I'm not purchasing on those companies that telling me a policy is saying that we're not supposed to accept anything that was on sale. It was your sale. So that's the reason I went back, guys. But next time I'm going to go ahead and try other companies and see how they work. Okay, guys, so the wig that I got is named Chloe, and it is a Peruvian 13x4 lace front wig, and this is actually my first time purchasing a lace front. The reason why I always purchase a 4x4 is because, one, cheaper, two, I don't really like glue. As you can see, I don't really like glue. I like wigs that I can just throw on my head and just go out. So, but this one now, they said even though it's a frontal, you can still wear it glueless. So I was like, okay, let me try in a frontal and see. Plus it was a 40% discount, so I was like, yeah, I'm not missing out on that one. So the original price was 4,500 and the sale price was 3,395 rands, free shipping. Before I even say anything, guys, DJ Zinhle, guys, wow, like shipping, like she's partnered with a company that is very, very reliable. They literally take 2-3 days, two to three, which is amazing, and they're very, very faithful. I'm saying this from experience. It's not my first time buying from Her Majesty. I'm just saying what I have experienced. I have never experienced any delays so far. If they say 30 days, it's 30 days or less. So I will commend her for that. But anyways, let's go ahead and see the wig. Let's see the wig. Let's see the wig. I'm nervous, I'm happy, every emotion I'm feeling right now. But yeah, let's try on the wig, guys. So this is the wig. It is sealed. I have not seen the wig. You have not seen the wig. So this is an unboxing video, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and open. Got my scissors. I'm going to go ahead and open the wig fast and show you the wig. It's a cute bag. So that's the packaging. Woo! Oopsie. Okay, so this is what's inside to hang, and this is the bag. So this is pretty new to me because last time, I mean, as far as the company, last time they didn't bring. Last time there was no bag, and now we have a wig bag to keep the wig in. This is how she's looking. Okay. Woo! One thing about me, wigs, and me, I love wigs. Okay, so this is. I'm so nervous. They always feel light. Even this one that I'm wearing is from Zinhle. Don't mind. It's not really like prepped, you know. But yeah, it's a beautiful wig. Trust me. But this one feels light as well. Okay, oh, so it came inside a net to protect the wig, and we've got this inside, and we've got a band, which is great, and it's a frontal. This time is customized. Guys, if you watched my previous video, this one was not customized, even though I paid for the customization, but this one seems like it is customized, which is what I like. Lord of mercy. The knots are bleached. She is thick. She is thick and she is silky. She's Peruvian, by the way. She's Peruvian. Wow. Wow. And she is 18 inches. Okay. Wow. Oh, sorry guys. And then we do have a comb. Like this one, she has a comb at the back. I would love for the wigs to also have a comb on the sides, but that's still fine. And I don't even use the comb at the back because, yeah, I don't know. But I appreciate the band to help me secure my wigs. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it on, guys. I'm trying to correct myself. But guys, this wig is very pretty and it's very thick. Thick. So I'm trying to correct myself. Okay, but yeah, I think the last time with that drama that happened, I think that was a mistake, guys, because this dish is coming through, and that's one of the reasons why I went back. Mina, if people bash you online and you don't have a comeback, then that's a problem. The trick is when people bash you online, don't give up. But they come back, you need to show them, no. The second person that's coming, they'll be like, that's a lie. So I like that. She was like, okay, thank you so much for trusting me after all that drama that happened. And I'm going to give you the best wig that I have. That's how I feel. That's how she's making me feel. And that's how the company is making me feel. So I'm like, yeah, she's thick. If you know me, you know I like thick wigs. Not too thick, but no, actually thick wigs. I like thick wigs. And yeah, this one is very thick. And wow. Okay, let me go ahead and try out the wig and come back with the results. Oh, sorry guys, the wig also has this band. It also has these ones, the famous ones. Yeah, so it's pretty secure. I'll come back with the results just now. You see, guys, she is thick. She's thick. Wow. Okay. Okay, let me try and secure the second band. Beyonce. Oh my god. OMG. Woo, guys, this is pretty. She's silky, she's pretty, she's thick. She's really thick, which is what I like. I love thick volume, bulky. And also, guys, I forgot, I'm too excited. So the wig also comes with a wig cap. So yeah, that's a plus. And they did send me some aftercare instructions on my email, you know. So yeah, I don't even want to touch the wig or the lace or anything. I don't know if I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to go ahead and cut the wig and show you guys, but here I'm pretty excited. So guys, do not judge me. Don't judge, but I did bring my red tail comb and my white tooth comb just to test. Peruvian. We need to test and see if it's really, but it is Peruvian, but yeah. Oh, wow, such a breeze. Okay, let me try the white tooth comb. Or is it snagging? I don't like that. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's get off the snags. Let's get them off. Okay. All right, so yeah. Wow, I like the color as well. It's not brown, because some wigs they tend to come off black, almost brown, but this one is cute. Not too black, not too brown. It's black, but it's not like jet black, which is what I like. So yeah. Oh, by the way, it's a frontal, so I can do that. Hey, December. Okay, this is really pretty, guys. So yep, I will see if it. Wow, this is nice. Probably going to be using, I'm gonna be using gutter pea spray, but not glue. I do not like glue. I don't know why. I just don't like glue. By the way, the lip gloss that I'm wearing is, if you didn't see my previous video, please go ahead and watch it. I was reviewing the Maybelline lip glosses, the lifter lip glosses, which are really cute. And yeah, this is Stowe. So it's a very pretty color. So please, if you haven't watched my previous video, please go ahead and watch it. But otherwise, this one is really pretty. Thank you so much, Her Majesty. Keep up the good work. You make a mistake, you come back up. So wow. As far as wearing this wig without anything glue or spray, I don't know, give them a 6 out of 10. Yes, it's secure enough. No, it's 7 out of 10. It's quite secure, but yeah, it's not too, you might need to spray just a little bit, because if you go to Johannesburg and then do so, I make sure you just add just a bit of some spray, because it's not too yes, it is secure, but it's not too secure, where you can just enjoy. It's possible, but yeah, but otherwise I'll come back with the wig not customized, but I'll cut around my ear, and then I'll show you guys. I'll really like confirm if really you can take it outside with no glue or spray. Okay guys, so I am back, And this is the wig. This is the wig. So I managed to cut the lace, and yeah, these are the results. And I love this wig. So this is the length of the wig, and I'm gonna show you the back of the wig. As you can see. So yeah, one thing that I'll say, guys, I don't think I'll be able to wear this wig with nothing, like with no glue or spray, because it just didn't feel right to me. So at the back, it's a bit big. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a bit loose at the back. There's this flippy thing where there's a comb. It's a bit it's not too tight, because I love very tight wigs, but otherwise it's okay. But I don't think I'll be able to move around without anything to glue it down or to secure the wig. Wait, so thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you on my next one.